Hey, what's going on, everyone? All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to try something with me and see what you think, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to get a piece of paper, a note card, something that you can physically write on. I want you to get that out. But the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to write down, how do you feel about organic chemistry? Once you write that down, the second question I want you to write down is the fact is, what have you heard about organic chemistry before you got there, okay? Now, do you have that? Do you have that written down? Physically, I want you to write that down because I want you to write it down and see it. I want you to look at that, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is I want you to take that, I want you to throw that out. Why? Because at this moment, what I want you to do is I want you to realize that that story, the way you feel about it, and the story that you've heard at this point ends. See, I've been doing this for 20 years now, okay? And essentially over that 20 years, organic chemistry hasn't changed. Organic chemistry was the same before I started teaching, and organic chemistry has been the same while I've been teaching. So I started asking myself, what's going on here? If organic chemistry is organic chemistry, and it's the same whether it's taught at Harvard or it's taught at community college, what's the difference? And I realized it's the approach. And I've discovered over this 20 years that with the right approach, it is nearly impossible for students not to understand. It is nearly impossible to fail the class. If you have the right approach, you can completely crush this course and effortlessly rise to the top of the class. How do I know this? Because I've seen student after student after student do this.